Okay. Take a shot. I don't really have time for that. Want to see my signature move? Check it out. I go fast, I can go. Gotta go fast, gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Oh man, it goes so fast. Oh, I'm gonna go fast. Oh my god, it's going so fast. Oh yeah, let's put this out. Woo! Woo! I'm cold fucking jackass. It's just serious, we're back to our episode. And today we're going to whack Donald. Yeah, and we're going to do something stupid though, and get food. Eat. It's good. You know what we're going to get there? What? Food. Okay? I didn't think of that. Not just any kind of food, okay? McDonald's food. Yeah, okay. But Kaya left because she's a scrub. So the video that might be posting before this, I don't know. Oh, you want to be cool? Yeah. Check out that dude. Look at this dude. I said, copyright. Hey, I want to record you. What are we going to do? Oh, are we going to climb a building today, Cole? I don't know. Are you going to climb a building today? I kind of want to climb a building today. Look at this tree. Let me climb that tree. Look at this dude. Look at that awesome. I can't see it anymore. Look at this awesome world, huh? It's pretty awesome. Oh, what the heck? Bullied. So, how'd you guys like the beginning of the video? Yeah, that was pretty sexy, right? That's gonna be the whole intro. I'm not gonna do my intro. Really? I'm like, I'm gay. Alright, guys, we're gonna stop it to when we get to McDonald's. Something cool happens on the way. Alright, guys, we just made it to the. All good stuff. Guys, I just made it to the square, and we're gonna about to get to McDonald's, and yeah, eat a McChicken. Watch this. Watch this. Oh man, this is awesome. Parkour! Hey guys, it's back, and right now we're at McDonald's with the cooliosis. You want to see? I already ate my burger. You're just really so stupid. I'm not. So packed in here, guys. Say hello! Guys, what about trick shots 2.0? Let's go, Cole. Let's go first. Oh, I made it! One time, no way! Cool. Oh, I win. Oh god, that's what happens if you don't land it. No. Whip, you can have mine if you put straight to the straws. I don't want it. You want to go back and get more? He's like, so it costs me. Guys, look at that GTR. So sexy. How do you feel about that GTR, Cole? Pretty good. Hey, that's pretty good. But he still can't land the water bottle. But right now we're gonna go back to his house. He's gonna get a jacket. We're gonna get an all fence, and then we're gonna go to the park and watch some people hopefully. Okay, guys, we're at the library playing some freaking Wipeout. Get destroyed. Oh my god, this is the best. Guys, Activision made this game. That's the best part about it. So me and Cole are gonna do Louis, let's go now with this, and right now, and right now we're gonna climb a building. We're gonna climb this building. Yeah, so let's go. Wait. Do you have anything to say to the vlog? Hey, we're done here. Alright. No more throwing sticks. Sticks is bad for the health. A spooky alleyway, not sketchy at all. Guys, this is where we're gonna climb the building. Oh, this is sketchy. There's barbed wire right here. What? Yeah. There's barbed wire right there. Should we try the other place? What? Other place. Yeah, you go on top of here. It says no trespassing. Yeah, we should go to. Look at that butt.
I'll get up there and I'll take the camera.
I need a close-up of your eyeball. It's cool, right? Oh, that's for real. Don't die. What's up there? Money?
A building?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Wait, this building is just a building?
Yeah, that's not real unless it's like a hotel. Most.
See, there's a building and a building.
Should we try the other place next?
What other place?
In the alleyway. The other alleyway. Not the spooky, scary alleyway. This is like nice, nice pictures I could do. Like, it looks pretty dope. Hey, look at it. It looks pretty dope. Until it's fall away. Alright, so Louis did it. Cool. Okay. Can you climb a fence? Can you go across the whole thing?
You can go on top of here.
Oh, that sounds cool.
How do we get down? How do I get down? Yeah. We have to go back down there.
Oh, crap. What?
Wait, do you go down there first?
Good scrub. Well, this game wants to how much you want to go.
I don't know. Yeah, I'll get down.
Do you want to get down, Neil?
Sure, let's get down.
We're on top of the roof, though, guys. Look at that. This is pretty cool.
People climb up that building, it looks like.
Yeah. Guys, now we're getting down. Well, they all.
Hey, remember
We're gonna climb another building that's not sketch as this ball boil. I know. It takes forever.
You're small. You got small feet.
Yeah. Dude, that's so racist. Cole, you wanna climb that?
What?
You wanna climb the wall? Oh yeah. Bro, this is like impossible. How do they do this? Look at the wood is inside the fence. Like it goes inside of it.
Like,
And there's another one.
I don't understand why.
Alright, cool. Can you go in front of me and do that one thing that you did on the wall?
Hey, you guys can't go that high.
Dude, those heads can.
Hey, you guys want to chill? There's a sofa right there.
Crunch. Cool, I believe in you. Whoa. Come on, let me see what Cole does.
Oh, he uses both feet and does that? So sketchy, dude. Guess what?
Cool. That's gonna be it for the vlog. What do you guys want to say before the vlog ends?
Subscribe to Jason's YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. See you guys in the next